Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today this video is on the Nintendo Super Mario Maker 2. Yeah, sorry the screen's shaky. And yeah. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to get Mario's cat head for your avatar. Yeah, what do you call it? Me Course World's avatar. So what you have to do to get the Mario's cat head in the body, you have to what do you call it? Beat 100, no, play 100 courses, and then you get it. Another thing I'll teach you how to get, I'll tell you how to get is the Bowser Jr. head thing. So I'll show you the Bowser Jr. head thing. It's in the hats. See that? That you have to get a high score of 10. So you have to beat 10 levels without losing all your lives in the easy mode for the endless challenge. So yeah, that's how you get them. Oh yeah, and also make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Also, come check out my level, what do you call it? It's 20-second speed run. Wait, I'll give you. Why did I just exhale it? Uploaded courses. 20-second speed run. This is the code. The code's right there. Course ID. You gotta enter that in. And what do you call it? So you gotta enter that code, course ID, to find ID. So it's gonna be in the when it's gonna be in front. So, yeah, ID, and you can search it, and then yeah, you find it. So yeah, that's how you get Mario's cat head in the body and Bowser Jr. and the Bowser Jr. headpiece.